Good day, learners. I'm your teacher for today, and we will discuss about represent a quadratic function using equation, table of values, and graph. Let's define what is a quadratic function. Quadratic function is one of the form of f of x is equal to a squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. Note that y is equal to f of x, so this is usually written as y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. These are examples of quadratic equations. Now, there are some cases that the given quadratic equations are not on its standard form, which is the form of y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Notice example number 1 will be y is equal to x squared minus 1. And example number 2, and then example number 3, and last example. The domain and the range of a quadratic equation. A table and a graph can both be used to show solutions to a quadratic equation. Roots. Let's define roots. Roots are the solutions to quadratic equations, and the x-intercepts of a quadratic function. Note that a quadratic function may have two solutions, one solution, or no solution. Using table of values to represent solutions. A table of values can be generated from a quadratic function by substituting the x values and calculating the values for f of x. For example, we will make a table of values for the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 6, given the x values, to find the missing values of the functions. Substituting the x values to the given quadratic function. When x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to 6. When x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 4, f of x is equal to negative 6. X is equal to 6, f of x is equal to 0. And when x is equal to 7, f of x is equal to 6. That we have the values of y, the table will look like this. So we can say that the roots of the quadratic function f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus c are 1, 0, and 6, 0. For checking of the roots, we will substitute the following roots to the functions. We will plot the following points that we obtained from the table, the x values and the y values. Now, the first point is the 0, 6, second, 1, 0, third, 4, 6, fourth, 6, 0, and last, 7, 6. The graph will look like this, and this kind of graph is called parabola. It is a graph of a quadratic function is a curve, and parabola may open upward or downward and all have the same U-shape. All parabolas are symmetric with respect to a line called the axis of symmetry. And that's it. I hope you learned something about math today. Till next time, bye!